Hello, A group. This is the last time that you have to see my face on the YouTubes. Well, for right now. Okay. B group is here. They just took their vocab quiz. And I told you on yesterday that we were going to...
Do you have a bag?
No outburst, please. I do not. I'm sorry. It's not going to be super long today because I'm saving it so that we can all be together on Monday. And then I can really teach you the stuff I need to teach you. I can't wait. I don't think there's a whole ton of you in this class. I don't know. We're going to have to spread apart. I'm getting a new desk, so that's good too.
Can we teach outside since there's so many of us?
No, so like that like desk like in McGrath's room that I have over there, like somebody will sit in the green chair and then somebody in the desk, and then where she's stripy shirt is, and then I'll put another one over there, and then there'll be one back there.
I want to stay here, please.
I don't know how to do this fairly. I should probably make a seating chart, but I don't remember where everybody wants to sit.
I'll fight someone for my chair.
Anybody sit here?
Yeah.
Oh
no, actually that kid maybe possibly moved.
Which one?
Does anyone sit
So
here?
yeah, I don't remember. Yes. So maybe, I'm not sure. That's word on the street. Yes.
Yeah, she moved for sure.
Yeah, we just don't have confirmation yet from the district, so that's what we're at. All right, so yesterday were looking at the different structures of hydrocarbons. And again, a hydrocarbon is a hydrogen with carbons on it. And I want to make sure that you guys understand this. I don't really want to move this. I want to move this. I don't know why I have to make noises.
I'm like hoping one of those TVs falls on me and I can stay to school and become a millionaire and not have to go to school.
Yeah, you're going to go to Stacy Kinnear High School if it falls on me.
Oh, jeez.
We're going to be pink and purple glitter sparkle unicorns.
You know what? I'm honestly so over school right now that
I started trying in school and then I couldn't find my phone.
What we looked at yesterday, and hopefully you watched this when you watched the video, although some of you in here did not watch the video. This is carbon. It's a carbon chain. Each of these is showing that it's sharing 2 electrons.
Yeah.
Okay. So carbon has 4 electrons in its outer shell. How many bonds does it want to make? 4. It wants to make 4 bonds. Yeah, for real. Yeah, you got it. So if this carbon has 1 bond, how many bonds does it need to get to 4 bonds? 3. So I add 3 hydrogens. This carbon has how many bonds?
1. Oh, 2.
2. So how many hydrogens? 2. How about this guy?
2.
So how many does it need?
2.
How many does this one have?
2. Or 1.
1. How many does it need?
3.
3 more. Check. Okay. So carbon has to have 4 bonds. And it bonds with hydrogens. Okay. Did you not sleep?
No.
You look super sleepy.
No. She hasn't slept for 4 days.
Why did you not sleep for 4 days? Actually, no, forget it. We'll talk about that later.
Slept for 4 days.
You should probably sleep, but not right now. Okay. So we looked at then isomers. So we said an isomer, see, I just can't move it without making noises. Okay.
Can you like tilt?
I don't know.
You're fine, man.
Huh?
My OCD.
I don't know where I had it before, but I'm not on the screen now. Ah! Let's not do this. Okay.
It's not me.
So the isomers, we just drew this. This was butane, and it's 4 carbons and 10 hydrogens. This is what we call isobutane. It also has 4 carbons and 10 hydrogens, but it's in a different shape. So they have the same chemical formula, but they're shaped differently. This is pentane. It has 5 carbons. This is 2-methylbutane. So why do we call it that? Because it has the chain coming off of the 2. You don't need to know that for now. We'll hit that later. So we're going to talk about bonding, and we already said that each of those lines is going to show 1 sharing of electrons. A single bond shares 1 pair of electrons. How many pairs of electrons do you think a double bond shares? 4 electrons, which would be 2 pairs. Good, so 2 pairs, which is 4 electrons. How about a triple bond? Shares how many pairs of electrons? Triple pairs. 6 electrons, which is how many pairs? 3. Right, because tri means 3. So we share 3 pairs of electrons. So carbon can do that, and when we do that, we just draw lines, like a double line or a triple line. So now when we look at this carbon, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds on it. Okay? This carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. Or if we're looking at the triple, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ever going to have to look at a formula and figure out how many carbons it has? No. So why am I telling you this? Because on Monday, I'm going to give you a packet. And this packet is what you're going to do on Wednesday while you're home, part of what you're going to do. And it's all of these molecules. There's 40 some molecules on here. And you're going to have to cut them apart.
Mother.
And Nick, no.
Oh, man, I hope she just
No.
You just said.
I just started to say your name, but I don't want to hear that again.
I didn't say anything.
Nope, too close. No more.
I hope she read too loud.
So you're going to get these molecules, and when you get these molecules, you're going to see on there that there's sometimes double lines, and people at home are here. So there's double lines. Those double lines are just showing that it's sharing 2 pairs of electrons, which would be 4 electrons. Okay. So what else we got? Functional groups. So we have all of these hydrocarbons, and these hydrocarbons are just the hydrogens and the carbons. And that's it. It's just what we drew. It's under the screen, carbons and hydrogens. We can add these functional groups to them, and they're going to do different things. The hydroxyl, carbonyl, and carboxyl, we don't talk a lot about those in this class. We will talk about those more whenever you get to Bio 2. We're going to look, though, at an amino group and the phosphate groups, and those are the 2 that you do need to know for your test. And I'm going to say them over and over and over again 50 billion times throughout the year. Right. So this is an amino group. Amino groups are very easy to spot because they have a nitrogen with hydrogens. This is going to be found in all of the amino acids that make up all of your proteins. We're going to find some amino groups whenever we're looking at, DNA and RNA. Same thing with these phosphate groups. A phosphate group is a phosphorus with oxygens attached to it. We're going to spend a lot of time talking about phosphate groups starting, I think, tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Not tomorrow, on Monday.
Monday?
On Monday, yes. And I told you it's going to be short. That's where we're going to leave off for today because I want everybody here when we look at ATP because ATP is super important. Okay, A group, watch the video, answer the questions. I'll see you on Monday. Have a good weekend.